everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited you are here. Today we're doing something fun and useful. We're practicing how to talk about workload in English. Here is how it works today. It is a special double loop pattern. First, just listen to me. Next, repeat slowly after my friend. Then, listen to me again. Finally, say the whole sentence normally. If you want to master English fluency, please hit that subscribe button and like this video right now. It really helps us out. Are you ready to level up your English? Let's get started. My inbox is exploding right now.
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 I have too much on my plate.
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 I need a coffee IV drip.
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 This deadline is killing me softly.
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 Is it 5 o'clock yet?
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 I am buried under these reports.
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 My brain has stopped working today.
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 This meeting could be an email.
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 Let's pretend we are very busy.
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 I am running on pure stress.
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 My to-do list is endless.
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 I am leaving early today, hopefully.
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 We survived the work week.
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 I have too many tasks to finish.
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 How do you manage your workload?
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 I try to take breaks and breathe.
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 That helps me feel less stressed.
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 Workload is just part of the journey.
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 That's all for today. Thanks for joining us. Keep practicing and smile. See you next time with more fun English practice. Bye.